before we get started, subscribe, give a message, give it a huge thumbs up. Today we are making slime. Here's our bowl, our pink awesomely glue, and our activator. Tomorrow I'll be filming this purple glue, but today I'm filming hot pink. So let's get started. First I'm gonna pour, and we have a spatula. So first let's pour this hot pink glue in. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that hot pink. It's so pretty. Ooh. Ooh. I can literally make slime every day. It's so fun. It's so fun to play with it at the end. Oh, this is when it gets kind of like stuck in the bottle. Come on. So, this is, the glue keeps sticking to the pieces of glue. Come on, glue. Come on. This glue doesn't want to go out the dish.
That's a lot of glue.
Just kind of like scrape it out of the bottle.
As long as you get most of it. Doesn't have to be every drop.
That's good. That's good.
Now it says to only do 2 teaspoons of activator. So I'll drop it in and you're gonna start to stir.
All right, 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. You seriously put your mouth on activator?
Okay, ready? Okay, mix that up.
Oh, it already looks like. I'm always afraid that I won't have enough slime when it always starts up.
Okay.
Okay, that should be good. It's like sticking to the walls. You think it's like, ooh, it's still sticky. Then you mix it and play with it. Oh, there's still a lot of glue at the bottom. There's still a lot of glue.
Does it seem like it needs more activator?
Yeah. Wait, let me touch it.
There you go.
Yeah, it's still really sticky. Should I get my hands and play with it now?
Soon. Mix it all up. Move all that glue around.
Alright. Move
Yeah.
every
like,
single bit.
Yeah.
That's like you're making cake mix. That's like you're making cake mix. Now do you think it's ready to play with? You think it's ready to
How's
play
it
with?
look?
It's so sticky.
A little more activator.
Yeah. I'm not like putting enough activator. That should be enough activator. The activator makes it a little stickier. Ooh. Does that look like slime to you?
Does it feel like slime yet? Or does it still feel like glue?
It's sticky. It's like, look. It's this texture.
Let me see.
Ooh. It's like
Probably needs a little bit. A little more activator. It's still a little sticky.
still a little sticky.
Okay.
As you see, it's gluey on my hands.
What the heck?
I keep sticking.
Now it's starting to look like slime. Because see how it's staying together?
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's stuck to my spatula. Here, I'll get the slime off the spatula. Yo.
Okay.
I'll get the slime off. Can you hold the spatula while I get the
No,
slime?
it's fine.
No. Here is our pink slime. It's stuck to the
Whoa.
bowl. It's stuck to the bowl. It's stuck to the bowl. It's stuck to the bowl. Oh, good. Oh, it's so
Whoa.
sticky. This is the stickiest slime I ever. Oh, it's like sticky. We made sticky slime. Come on, I hate sticky slime.
Does it need more activator?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Alright.
Oh, Mom, look how sticky it is. Look. Mommy,
Whoa.
it's so
Keep
sticky.
working it.
I know. She said keep working it.
Okay.
Here, I'll just mix the activator with my hands.
Yeah. A little more.
Squirt it.
Okay.
Squirt it in. Here, I'll mix it around the bowl. I'll kind of like mix it around the bowl like this. Like up and down. Oh, let's get the slime on the bottom of the bowl. It's kind of, oh. Now it's like peeling away my slime on my hands. It's like peeling away the slime. That's cool. Okay, I'm trying to peel some of the slime off my hands. Oh, it's so gooey. So ooey gooey. It's really so ooey gooey. It's just melting in my hands. How you make Lucy's OMG Pinks JoJo Sewer Slime.